Hi everyone, welcome to BBA Entrepreneurship course by GCEC. This is a flagship course which is offered by GCEC and we have been offering this course for the past 5 years. In this course, a student talks about and is taught about how to be an entrepreneur, how to be a creative thinker, how to be an innovator, and how to do things differently from what others are doing. In the past 5 years, we have been able to create more than 30 plus startups within the campus at an undergraduate level. Lot of startups have had national acclamations and even international acclamations and also have raised funds. BBA in Entrepreneurship is a very practical and a hands-on course. In this course, which is of 3 years, in first half of the day, you talk about classes, you talk about entrepreneurship, but in second half of the day, you get to experience the practicality of entrepreneurship. As an entrepreneur, you have to do things to learn those things better. And that is what happens in the second half of the day. You intern with different startups, you work on your startup ideas, and you work on a lot of different other projects which bring out your entrepreneurial side. In the course curriculum, you are taken through the entire journey of creating a startup, starting from validation, starting from website building, starting from validating the market, going into the market, making the product, everything, making the app as well. So you're taken through the entire course curriculum and you also get to experience while you are in the practical domain. So it's a very hands-on a practical course. This BBA Entrepreneurship course is not only for students who want to get into startups. This is also for students who want to get into other fields, students who are from family backgrounds, students who want to pursue their career in corporates. Because this course talks not only about making you an entrepreneur, but majorly it talks about making you a problem solver. It talks about making you do something which is different from what others are doing. And that is what is aspired by corporates, by businesses, by startups, family businesses, everybody. So this course talks about making you a problem solver, and that is what is the crux. So if you are a student who would want to start their own business or a startup, or would want to run and take your family business to the next level, or would want to work in corporates where you would want to make your impact, this course is for you. BBA Entrepreneurship, which is offered by GCEC, is very different from what is there in the market. It caters to what is the need of the market, which is not only theoretical knowledge, it is also practical knowledge. And that is why practical knowledge also become a part of your curriculum and a part of your evaluation criteria. Apart from the practical experience that you get by working with startups, you're also exposed to a lot of practical workshops, sessions. Also, you can take advantage of the infrastructure which is there, the incubation center, the recording lab, the AV-TV lab, the radio recording room. And that is what brings in entire culture and ecosystem of growth of startups within the university campus. So apart from classes, apart from theoretical knowledge, you also get exposed to a lot of practical experience in terms of workshops, sessions, hands-on knowledge, and a lot of other things.